Hi, this is Christine with Scrap and Rabbit. I'm here to show a little journal that I made, and this is listed in my Etsy shop. I used a book to make the covers, and the colors on the book, it's blue, navy blue and gold. It's an old book, but I liked the gold, so I didn't do much at all to the covers. I just left them as is. Even the spine, you can see the writing. It's a book that contains three stories in it. So I left that pretty much as is. It's got an elastic closure, and you can easily remove it if you prefer not to have it on there. And the book does show some wear because it is an old book. I've got a little flower up at the top here, and on the side I've got these removable dangles. There's a lobster claw clasp, so you can just remove that if you don't want to keep it on the journal. And I've got some beads on here, and this is a bead that I made. And I've got some other pieces from vintage jewelry. I also included a little bookmark, and it's a little gold colored paper clip with a bead, a little flower, and wings of a dove. So this is a little charm. So this journal doesn't really have a theme. You can decide yourself what theme you want, if you even want a theme, or you can just use it for writing day-to-day activities. There are 3 signatures. So on the inside there's a pretty image of a flower, and you can write a title here if you like. And I will just go through the pages quickly to show you what they look like. It's a whole variety of papers. I've got some doilies in there, some scrapbook paper, and I left this edge sort of rough. I kind of like the look. And I've got some tea dyed and some coffee dyed papers, graph paper, writing paper. So it's a whole assortment of different papers. Lots of room for stamping, and I let these little ends long because some people like to attach little beads inside their journal, but you can always trim those back if you don't want them that long. And I'm just going to go quickly to show the inside. And these papers are repeated throughout the spines. I mean, throughout the signatures. And here's the final signature. So like I said, there's no stamping or anything in here. This is meant to be embellished by whoever gets the journal. This is a nice textured paper. And here's the back. Now you can put a picture on there if you like. One thing to keep in mind, these pages are not acid free, so if you're going to put pictures, make sure you keep your originals in a safe space. Have a nice day. Happy crafting. Bye.